So today's project, I plan to clean out my dryer duct because I have never cleaned it before. I moved in this house 9 years ago, but never cleaned it. And I had read somewhere that if you have a lint buildup in the duct, then the heat could build up and cause a fire. Now I'm not having a problem with dry my clothes, but again, I don't want any fire. And also, I understand that if the duct's cleaner, then the dryer would be also more efficient. And so I plan to clean the duct today. Now I have cleaned out the lint trap like everybody else does after every load. And I also, every once in a while, I'll stick a brush in there. This brush here I bought at, I don't know, Lowe's or Home Depot, whichever one of the stores. You stick it into remove the lint trap, and I stick it into that hole where the lint trap was, and I just kind of move it around and knock all the lint loose, and then I stick a vacuum tip in there and suck out the lint. Now for my cleaning, my duct cleaning products today, I bought this brand called Morinoli. It's a 24-foot length one, and I bought this brand because there are several other brands that actually twist on these little segments. I have 12 segments. Each are 2 feet long, and that's what makes 24 feet. Anyways, some other brands, these little sections twist on, and I had read somewhere that if you spin the drill the opposite direction, that it can come loose, and that'll be bad news if I was to lose a section of this inside the duct. So I didn't want to risk that chance. So this one here, you just kind of push that little pin in, and they shove it to the next segment. So it shouldn't have a problem of coming loose inside the duct. So anyways, 12 of those. It came with came with this brush. This is for cleaning out the lint trap. Again, same thing as this brush here. You stick it in there and move it around, and knock all the lint loose and vacuum it up. And then this kit also came with this little long tube that you get attached to your vacuum, so you can stick it into the lint trap and suck out the loose lint. And then here's the duct brush. Attach this to those segments, and then you attach this on the end of the segment, attach to your drill, and then you spin the drill, I think clockwise, and it's just kind of, and shove it up there as you're slowly turning it. That's supposed to knock the lint loose. So we'll see how it goes. All right. Okay, so I put another extension on here. So how this works is you have to get this little section, I think, what is this, about 2 feet section, and you push that little button in. There's some one that required threading for you to twist it on, but I had heard that they could actually come off inside the vent. So how about this one where you just pop on, you just push the pin with a ball and then reattach this little drill attachment. My kit is what is this? What kit did I buy? Mine is a 24-foot length one. So depending on how tall your dryer vent is, I don't think I need 24 feet, but Again, I'm adding another section here. Just push that button and it pops it on. And then I have to attach the drill attachment at the very end. Yeah. Okay. Wow. You see that falling. That's all lint, and that's about to catch on fire. It's like a perfect kindling, I should say. Okay, I'm not sure how long. Let's see. All right, so I think my vent is about 12 or 14 feet long, so it won't go any further, so I'm gonna pull it back out. I actually got more lint than I expected. All right, guys. Again, I'll put the item that I bought from Amazon, and it's 24 feet long kit. All right, guys. Have a good day.